Two quick things in today's Tech Minute. I'm going to try to get you through this pretty quick. I've had a lot of people, or we as a tech team have had a lot of people saying, can we just get some refreshers on some of those Google tools, how to do things? I got the certification, but now just trying to remember how to actually use it. So today's going to be on Google Forms. A lot of you know, you've even attended sessions with me that I use Google Forms for all sorts of stuff, bell ringers, exit tickets, in-class activities, and role plays where we actually have like fancy dice. At any rate, this is a web quest that we did this past unit. Ms. Kroll and I, we actually teach in line with each other. And so a couple of things I want to just draw your attention to on here. First of all, it doesn't hurt to give your students a rubric. So then I just drop it right into the directions right here. There's also a copy of the rubric where applicable that'll be shared out on Schoology next to an assignment. You always want to ask for the name, unless you want it to be anonymous. Like at the end of a unit, I actually give a unit survey, what did you think of this unit, that kind of thing. So I leave those anonymous on purpose. If you want to grade it, though, you want to make sure you ask for their name. I encourage you to put name first and last, and then class periods. I use the drop down here. And then the nice thing with these, you can go ahead and use this button here, import questions. This is actually where this part of the video is going. So let's say you wanted to use that same set of questions on all of the stuff you're using. So my Unit 8 final quiz, maybe I'm going to use this activity for everybody on the 7th grade social studies team. So class period. So this is Kroll's version. Her class period obviously just got 4 then. And then if you have it in the wrong place, you can change the form, go back, you can just import questions from wherever you want to grab. So I got the Unit 9 diagnostic, add this class period thing, import, and it'll put it right where you were. If you want to move these, grab it, drag and drop. It'll go wherever you want. If you want to delete it, you can. Oh, I didn't mean to delete that. Control Z, it comes right back. Standard undo button. That is just kind of the crash course on this. It's broken down into sections, but that doesn't matter. Second part of the video, I'm going to take a look at pulling those responses into a Google Sheet and then doing some sorting options on there. So a couple of quick just crash course items for this week's tech.